welcome to my channel Ride with Patrick. Today we're gonna take out a battery from my Sportster and set in a new lithium-ion battery. So we're gonna go according to the owner's manual. I did my little research. It's on page 172 if you check. So there is 9 points on the way out of the battery to take out the battery, and it's 8 points to take the battery in. One of the points, why is it more when you take it out? It's just the reminder that if you have a key fob, it has to be up in near the bike, because we're gonna do so that we don't have the alarm going on. First of all, we set the bike to start so that there is electricity going on. Number 2, we take the seat off. There we go, over here so we don't miss it. Number 3, take this one off. It should come off without any problems. Put it here for the time being. Then you have here the main switch. This one has to be taken off. You can just take it here, take it out, and bye-bye with the main switch. Put it on the side. Try to take as well the cable away from the battery. You have a little lock here. It's just to open that, unscrew to free out the battery. So there is a rule. The rule says when you take the battery out, in a way minus the battery, then you take the minus switch first off. Anyway, it's the one that is the most likely to that you take off the first go. And then you take the plus when you take the battery out. Okay, so now we have a little bit more space to take the battery out. Take a little bit the cable away. Take the minus off. As you can see, it's quite crowded. It's quite crowded here, but the point is to take the plus as well. So here we just free up this one.